Yeah, hi everyone. Welcome to SK Technologies. So in this video, I will explain you about users and users access in the Jenkins. So as a DevOps engineer, you are the responsibility person and you are the admin of your Jenkins service. So generally, DevOps team only owning this access on the Jenkins. Okay, owning the admin privileges. Sometimes developers also they want to access the Jenkins and they want to execute some jobs and they want to uh, read access. So kind of request. So based on the developer request, you can provide access on the Jenkins. And even based on the role also, we have to provide access on the Jenkins. Okay. So there are two ways actually. One is traditional way. Okay. So how people are following the providing the access on the Jenkins traditional way. Okay, and one more is use of the with the help of the plugin. Okay, so there is very popular plugin which is a user role based authorization plugin. Okay, so role based authorization plugin, with help of this we can provide access on the Jenkins. So both scenarios we will see. First I will explain the traditional way, how people are providing access on the Jenkins and what are the drawbacks with the traditional way. Then how we can overcome those drawbacks with the help of the user role authorization based plugin. Okay, so role based authorization plugin we will see. So traditional way very simple guys. You can go and access your dashboard. So make sure definitely you should have the admin privileges if you want to create a user, if you want to provide access. So definitely you should have the admin privileges. So log in your Jenkins with admin privileges. Okay, I already logged in my Jenkins. Then how to create users? So simply click on manage Jenkins. Okay, let me log in guys. Session got expired. See, I am using as a admin user SKTech. Uh, when I created the dashboard, when I set up this dashboard, at that time I given SKTech as a admin user. So click on manage Jenkins. So here users. So simply create user. So right side top corner, simply click on the create user, then provide username. Okay. So let me like read user. Okay. So read user, giving the password. Okay. So read user, I'm giving the same. You can give any email ID. Okay, the user's respective email ID you can give. He will get the notification over email. Okay, so this is the user, read user. This is the normal user only. Okay, so now you can go and provide the credentials to this user and you can go and log in the Jenkins. So in my case what I will do, I will open one more browser. Okay, so I will open the one more browser. I already opened here. Let me close this. Yes. So I will take the public. I will access this Jenkins and I will try to log in. Okay. So 8080. Yes. So username is read-user. Let me provide the password. Okay. Let me log in. So here, the moment you create with the user which you created, if you observe here, by default he will get all privileges. He will get the all admin privileges. See, manage Jenkins, and he can see all the whatever the jobs configured. Okay, so like development jobs. Okay, so he can able to build, he can able to configure, even he can to delete also. See, this is the main drawback with the traditional way. So normally developers they want to access and they want to read the job and they want to execute. Okay, so they cannot even edit that, configure the job and delete the job. Okay, so you are not supposed to provide that kind of privileges, right? See, with help of this traditional way, so if you create a users, by default he will get all privileges. This is the main drawback with the traditional way. So here even we have some kind of limitations here. Okay, some kind of restrictions. So we can make the restrictions actually. So that we will see. Okay. So if you create in this way and provide access to them, then they can able to do anything because they are having the admin privileges. So how to restrict this? Definitely you should restrict this kind of behavior, right? So how to restrict means, so go back to your admin user. Okay, so even you can do in the same also because he is also admin only. So either you can do here also or the previous session here also. But anyhow, let me do here. Go to your dashboard. So how to restrict, how to change the behaving of that means, then we can restrict with help of the some metrics based strategies. So I will show you. So click on manage Jenkins. Okay, so here click on the security. Okay, so security Jenkins defines who is allowed to access use your system. Okay, so here we can make it as a, we can make some restrictions to users on accessing the Jenkins. Okay, so click on here. So by default it will be like the strategy, authorization strategy, logged in users can do anything. So this is the default settings, guys. So with respect to of this authorization strategy type, so whoever logged in the server, okay, everybody can do anything. Okay, so which is not supposed to provide actually. So let me change this strategies. Okay, so everyone can do thing means, so even login also not required. But here matrix based security, you just click on this. Okay, so here, okay, so here you need to add that user. Then based on the scenarios, see so many matrix available like overall or only the agent job, okay, and only the run. So this kind of metrics available. So here you can restrict users to access on the Jenkins. Okay, we'll do one thing. So here you can create a group and add people into the group. Then respective people all they will get this kind of uh, privileges. Okay, anyhow, for demo purpose I'm going to create a user. So just simply click on user. So I given read iphone user, right? So let me provide the same read iphone user. Okay, click on. So here you just give this a read, overall read. Okay, apply this. Now you can go on to refresh your page. Okay, so you can go on refresh page. Now see, now you just logged in, that's it. Only read access. Let me log out and show you again. Read iPhone user, giving the password. See now everything he lost the access. He lost the privileges. See now he able to see only the read. Just he logged in. That's it. Okay, even he cannot see the jobs also. Okay, simply logged in and is checking the people's. See, system user, admin user, system user, and this user. That's it. Okay, so now use all nothing. So with the help of the matrix based strategy, okay, so we can restrict the people. But this is also somewhere drawbacks are there. Okay, I will explain in the next video about those drawbacks, and even we will overcome the drawbacks also with the help of the role based authorization plugin. Okay, that's it for this video, guys. So in the next video we will see, we will try to change these options. We will try to provide these options and we will observe. Okay, thank you.